Hi dears, before going to questions, better to log in our website. What is the use? To get more updates, better to log in first. Okay. Anyway, go for the question here. The smallest positive root of the equation x power 5, 5x power 4, 10x cube, 50x square plus 9x minus 45 is equal to 0 lies in the range. Okay. Lies in the range is not asking range. Root lies in the range. Root is asking the root value, not equation, range. Okay. Forget about that one. Better to go for the basic level videos. Don't confuse with this question. So I need to find the root. That's it. Nothing is there. What is asking? The smallest positive root of the equation. I want positive root only. So what do you mean by root? Root is nothing but if I substitute a particular value in the particular equation, you need to get the LHS value is equal to RHS. That is a basic concept, right? Okay, if I substitute according to options, you can decide. Chalo, what is the question here? The equation is very important, right? Equation can be what? X power 5 minus 5x power 4. Okay, nice. Next 10x cube. By observing this question, it is very big, but it is very easy. Don't confuse. 50x square. Next 9x minus 45 is equal to 0. This is a basic equation here. So what are the given options here? The first option can be x should be greater than 0. Yes, x should be greater than 0 and less than or equal to 2. That's the basic concept, right? Okay, fine. Better to go for the first option now. Yes, of course, option A is what? X is greater than 0 and less than or equal to 2. That is a basic concept. That's why I can put, let us assume that this is f of x value. I can put x value as 0. We can substitute 0, right? If I put f of, let us assume that this is f of x, okay? F of x should be equated to 0, be careful. But I want f of 0, that's it. F of 0 means I need to substitute 0 value in this one, right? Very simple. 0 means directly it will be 0, 0, 0, 0, all are zeros, only one value is there. That is what? Minus 45. Oh, we are getting negative 45. If I put f of value is 0, we are getting negative value. But I want positive value, right? I need to get positive value. To get the root, what do you mean by root? If I substitute the particular value, the value should be equated to 0. But if I substitute 0 as a root, I am getting negative value. So 0 is not correct. Okay, if I put 0, we are getting negative. If I put minus, again it will be negative value only. That's why the root should be above 0 only. Okay, fine. Now next f of 2 is there, right? I can go for f of 2. If I substitute f of 2, observe it clearly. F of 2 means 2 power 5. 2 power 5 means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 2 power 5 means I think 32, right? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, I think. Yes, 32. Not answer. It is what? 32 minus 2 power 4 means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 5 into 16. 5 into 16 means what? 80. Yes or no? For your comfort only, directly I can substitute. 5x power 4. In the place of x, we can put positive values only. If I put 0, we are getting negative. That's it. The root should be above 0 only. It should not be negative value. That is another issue. Okay, fine, no problem. What about this one? X square. X square means what? 2 square, 4. 4 into 50 will be 200. Yes, it can be 200. 9 2s are 18. 18. Minus 45. If I get the output as 0, f of 2 can be our root. I mean 2 can be our root. Okay, fine, we will discuss. Don't confuse. Minus 80 plus 200 minus 45 is there. Go for the positive value first. 32 plus 18. 32 plus 18 is there, right? Yes, 32 plus 18. It can be 50. 50, 45 gone. 50, 45 gone. Plus 5 will be there for sure. Okay. Next 205 minus 80 will be there, right? 205 minus 80 will be. Observe clearly. The equation is very important. X power 4, 5 into x power 4, okay, fine. Okay, clear cut story, no problem. 9x. Is there any mistake? No, right? Okay, fine. Yes. But logically, we are getting more than 0. We are getting positive. 200 minus 80 will be 120. 120 plus 5, 125. We are getting 125 as output. So that's why, observe clearly, 32, 80. Yes, clear cut. 2 cube, yes, below here 2 cube, right? 2 cube is 80 to 10, 90. Yes, fine. Oh, don't confuse. Minus 80 is there. Then what about this one? x cube. Here also we'll have 80, minus 80. Yes, don't confuse it. Minus 80 again. 2 power 16, 80. 5 into, 2 power 4, 16, 16, 5 is 80 will be there. Minus 80 will be minus 160, right? Don't confuse. Minus 160. So what? Minus 160 means logically 45. We are getting positive value. If I put f of 0 equal to negative, f of 0, we are getting negative value. If I put f of 2, we are getting positive value. That's it. Nothing is there. So that's why the root should be in between 0 and 2. That's it. It may be 1. The smallest root can be 1 only. There is a chance, right? But don't take more than 2. If I take more than 2, I am getting positive values. I don't want positive value. I want the output value as what? 0. The equation is equated to 0, right? Yes or no? The left side value is equated to 0. That's why I need to get 0 only. That's why the best option is what? First option. Why can't you go for second option? No. X value should be greater than 2. Less than or equal to 4. Illogical. If I substitute 2, I am getting 45 value. 2 is not enough, right? That's why answer should be below 2 and above 0. That's it. The first option is the best option. What about the 2 remaining? Oh, those are very big values. 6, 8, 10, 100. Not possible. That's why the best option is what? A. Don't confuse. Forget about this one. Here we have minus 80 again plus 80. Whatever. Minus 80, minus 80, minus 160 will be there, right? Don't confuse. 2 80s will be there. Okay. Ready? Now I can go for the next one. Probability, I think. Probability, of course, I think you got some idea, right? Option is A. Yes. Option A is correct. Let's go for 15. The probability that a student passes only in mathematics is 1/3. Okay, the probability that the student passes only in English, 4/9. The probability that the student passes in both subjects is, I think 1/9, 1/6. Okay, the probability that the students will pass at least in one subject. Okay, fine. Simple and easy question, but don't confuse. Here we'll have at least one. At least one condition is there. He has not given the values. He has given the probability worth. Right? What are the subjects we have actually? Don't confuse. Mathematics. Probability of mathematics will be 1/3. Then what about next subject? The probability of next one can be what? The probability of English. English can be what? 4/9. 4/9. 4/9. But below student pass in the both subjects. Yes, both conditions also given. Both conditions is what? 1/6. Okay. Only maths 1/3 probability. Only English 4/9. So what about both? 1/6. So actually what is asking? At least. At least means don't confuse. Don't take it as a serious subject. Very easy subject. At least means, for an example, I have for your comfort, I have 5 numbers like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to get at least one. What do you mean by at least one? Any one of them. At least means minimum one. Maximum maybe all. That's it. This is simple point. Don't go scientifically. We'll have so many videos, basic level videos. Better to log in and observe those videos. Then you can get a good command. That's for sure. Okay. What is our target? 30 marks. Our target is 30 marks. Don't lose. Anyway, if I choose any one of them, I want at least one number. At least one number means what? You can take any one of them, right? At least one number should be required. Then what about the remaining all? We can take all also. What about at most? At most means what? Maximum 1. Minimum 0. At least means what? Minimum 1. Maximum I can take all. That's why I can take at least maths and as well as at least English and together also. That's it. So logically, probability of A union B. Probability of A union B. That's it. Probability of A union B means what? A union B is nothing but probability of any mass. Probability of mass. Probability of mass union English. That's it. What is the formula for union? Don't go for the set story. Set story is different. A union B, intersection B is a different story. But whenever you have probability story, different story is there. Don't confuse. Probability of maths plus probability of English plus probability of mass intersection English. This is a basic concept here. Don't take it as minus. It may be sets. It in sets below negative value. That is the issue. Don't compare with the sets. It is probability story. So at least one condition, union condition will be there for sure. That's why directly consumption. Probability of maths 1/3, right? Plus probability of English 4/9 plus together 1/6. That's it. Nothing is there. This can be a direct answer. Don't confuse. Okay? Is there any confusion? Yes, of course. 3, 9, 6 can be 18 is a target for your comfort. Okay. The LCM can be 18. 18/3 means 6 plus 2 plus 3. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 3, 11. 11/18. 11/18. Yes. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11/18. That can be a direct answer. Don't confuse at all. 11/18. This is what? At least probability. Right? 3, 9, 6. LCM can be 18. 18/3, 6. 18/9, 2. Oh, 2. But you will have 4, right? Don't confuse me. You will have 4. 4 2s are 8. Our target is what? I mean, our LCM is what? 18, right? Don't confuse the simple answers are simple questions. Don't confuse. 18/6. I mean, 18/3 will be 6. 18/9 will be 2. 2 4. We will have 8, right? 18/6 can be 3. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. 17 is our answer. Best answer. So observe this 4. Of course, you will have 1 and 1, but you will have 4, right? That's a bigger basic story. Don't confuse. Answer can be what? 17/18. So what do you mean by at least? At least means what? Minimum 1, maximum 1. At most means what? Maximum 1, minimum maybe 0. There is a chance. Okay, don't confuse. I hope you are getting the idea, right? So better to log in our website and observe the updates first. Okay, go for the demo videos also. So many videos are open. I mean, it is not lagging mode, right? That's why happily you can observe it. Observe the unlocked videos. You can get good command on it, and happily you can purchase. Okay, let's go for the next question now.